Have you ever held a single bead and felt like it carried a story? Stick around, because today you'll see how one tiny bead turned into a piece of jewelry that changed everything. Welcome to Lora, Inspire and Create, where creativity meets inspiration through handmade jewelry. This story begins with a simple green crystal bead. At first glance, it looked ordinary, just one bead among hundreds in a craft box. But here's the twist. This bead wasn't just picked for its sparkle, it had a backstory. It was a gift from a grandmother to her granddaughter, passed down as a reminder to keep creating. So I decided to build a piece around it, to honor both the bead and the story it carried. First, I paired it with shimmering silver seed beads to make the green crystal pop. Slowly, the design started to take shape, each stitch creating not just jewelry, but a story woven into the piece. As the bracelet grew, so did the meaning. This wasn't just a fashion accessory, it became a symbol of family, of creativity passed down, and of how something small can inspire something much bigger. When the bracelet was finished, it didn't just sparkle with elegance, it sparkled with memory and meaning. And here's the best part. The granddaughter wore it on her graduation day, carrying her grandmother's reminder with her. That's the magic of handmade jewelry. It's never just about beads and wire. It's about stories, love, and inspiration captured in every detail. So the next time you pick up a bead, think about the story it could tell. If you enjoyed this story, let me know in the comments what inspires you when creating jewelry. Don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who loves handmade accessories, and subscribe to Lora. Inspire and create for more jewelry stories, tutorials, and inspiration. Because every bead has the power to tell a story, and every piece you make can inspire.